Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French with Megha. Today we are going to learn demonstrative adjectives in French, which are called les adjectifs démonstratifs. In English, there are four demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these, and those, which are used to point out something or someone. Like in English, in French also, there are four demonstrative adjectives: ce, which is used for masculine singular; cette, which is used for feminine singular and vowel; cette, which is used for masculine singular starting with vowel; and c'est, which is used for plural, either it is masculine, feminine, or vowel. As you know, in French, everything depends on gender and number. So, les adjectives démonstratifs also depend on either the noun is masculine, feminine, plural, singular, or starting with a vowel. Let's see some example. Ce garçon. Garçon is a boy, which is masculine singular, so ce is used. Cette fille. Fille is a girl, feminine singular, so cette is used. Cet homme. Homme is masculine singular, starting with a vowel, so cet, cet is used. Ces enfants. Enfants are plural, so ces is used. Ces, ces is used. Now we will see where to use les adjectives démonstratifs. Adjectives démonstratifs are used to point out something or someone. For example, look at this girl. Regarde cette fille. Here we are pointing this girl, so we use adjective demonstrative. As girl is feminine singular, so we use cette. Les adjectives démonstratifs is also used to answer a word that is placed before in the sentence. For example, I like Paris. The city is wonderful. J'aime Paris. Cette ville est magnifique. Here we can see that in the first part of the sentence, we are talking about Paris, and in the second part, we are describing a city, Paris. So we use demonstrative adjective. It is also used to answer a word that is placed in the preceding sentence. For example, I go often to the park. This park is near my home. Je vais souvent au parc. Ce parc est près de chez moi. In first sentence, we are talking about the park, and in the second sentence, we are telling that this park is near my home. So here also we have used adjective demonstrative. Now we will see how to use demonstrative adjectives in sentences. First one is j'aime les chocolats suisses. Here we are talking about Swiss chocolates, and then we are saying these are delicious. As les chocolats suisses a plural, so we will use ces. Second one is la première janvier, tout le monde célèbre dash jour. So 1st January, everyone celebrate this day. As we know, jour is masculine, so we will use ce. Third one is je n'aime pas dash actor. Here, actor is starting with a vowel and it is masculine, so we will use cet. Mais j'aime dash actress. Here also, actress is starting with a vowel, but it is feminine, So we will not use CET here. We will use Seth, CETTE. Dash om, a bow. Om is masculine, but it is starting with the vowel. So we will again use CET, Seth. Seth om, a bow. Dash fee, a très intelligent. Here, fee is singular and it is feminine. So we will use Seth, CETTE. Cette fille est très intelligente. J'ai porté dash chapeau rouge pour mon anniversaire. I wore this red hat on my birthday. So, chapeau is masculine and it is singular, so we will use so. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the notification icon. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.